students, stop buying full courses again and again. Study one paper at a time for a small monthly fee. Most students overpay for ACCA prep. You buy a course, change papers, get stuck, and end up spending more. Or you rely on free resources that are outdated, incomplete, and never exam standard. Practice Test Academy created a smarter, more affordable way to study ACCA. One focus paper, one low monthly subscription fee, all the tools you need to study properly without expensive course purchases. Introducing the ACCA monthly subscription, a simple, rolling plan that gives you full access to any ACCA paper you choose. And you can switch papers anytime from your dashboard. What are your benefits? Full video lessons, especially for applied skills and release strategic professional level courses. Clear, concise study notes, a large interactive question bank, timed mocks, mini mocks and extra practice, flashcard and structured revision support, progress analytics, build your own tests functionality, topic filters, retry-incorrect mode, instant switching between papers, regular updates included, cancel anytime. It's everything you need to master one paper at a time without overspending. The price stays low because you subscribe to only one active paper at a time. This gives you full resources for the exact paper you are studying without buying separate courses. If you want flexible, focused learning at the lowest monthly cost, this is your moment. Start studying today and switch whenever you want. More than 35,000 ACCA and CIMA students rely on Practice Test Academy. Trusted worldwide for high-quality, exam-focused learning. Click the button and start your ACCA paper today. Study smarter, keep it flexible, and progress faster with the ACCA monthly subscription.